Okay, so welcome back to the third part of the video, dear children. Do you think these were planted? So yes, as we were discussing, these plants grow on their own. ठीक है? What else can you see in the water? So we can see a lot of other animals. We can see tortoise. We can also find some insects. This is exactly as liverworts and this is mosses. You must have observed quite a lot of the images on the right. They are pretty harmless. People who have a phobia, okay, with circles and holes, they might find this liverworts very disgusting to watch. So just have a quick look. This type of phobia is known as trypophobia. Trypophobia is basically a fear or disgust of closely picked holes. So, if you will look into this, you'll find it very uneasy. You'll find it disgusting to watch. Now, let us talk about Nobel Prize winner Sir Ronald Ross. Now, my dear children, a lot of scientists have invented a lot of things. So, I have already taught you all what is invention and what is discovery. So, dear children, over here, uh, Sir Ronald Ross was the second person to receive Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine in 1902. Dear children, a lot of efforts were taken to find out, to realize and to understand that mosquitoes से malaria disease spread हुआ है. Back in those days in 16th, 17th and 18th century, अगर किसी को कोई बीमारी हो जाती थी, particularly a skin disease like chicken pox, small pox, so लोग ऐसा वो person को अलग जंगल में छोड़ के आते थे. लोग ऐसा सोचते थे कि आपने कुछ गलत काम किया है और इसीलिए God is punishing you. Dear children, then science slowly and steadily started taking efforts and science started developing, and then people were educated that disease is not some sort of superstition. There's a whole way reason why disease is attacking some person, and it is not because God is angry. ठीक है. So वैसे ही जैसे साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप होने लगे, वैसे लोगों के सुपरस्टिशंस पर भी एक कंट्रोल किया गया. लोगों के सुपरस्टिशंस को समझाया गया लोगों को कि उनके सुपरस्टिशंस फॉल्स है और उनको रीजंस एंड लॉजिक पर बिलीव करना चाहिए. Now, we'll read about this scientist in brief. But before that, I want you all to answer, what can you do so that mosquitoes do not breed in your house, school or neighborhood? So we have to ensure that there is no waterlogging. You have to declutter your house. You have to keep your surroundings clean. Spray chemicals and in water if you put fishes, tortoise and turtle, what happens is fishes will eat the larvae. How can you find out? So the foolproof way is to find out through a blood test. Now when we talk about a scientist peeps into a mosquito's stomach, see, the headline is so very catchy. Whenever you make any poster, try to put such catchy headlines or the title. This incident took place almost 100 years ago. Scientists found that mosquitoes spread malaria. Dear children, Sir Ronald Ross will study a little bit about Sir Ronald Ross. Ronald Ross said that his father was a general in Indian Army. He wanted to become a doctor because he loved to read stories, writing poetries, music. So basically, Sir Ronald Ross was much more interested and inclined towards arts, but he studied medicine. In those days, thousands of people used to die from a disease which we call now malaria. This disease was found in areas where there was a lot of rain or in swampy places. Swampy means, muddy places. People thought कि air में कोई poisonous gas है and as a result people are dying. So ये नाम पड़ा malaria. Mal means malpractice. Mal means bad and area, air. So one doctor had seen tiny germs in the blood of one of the patients. So when he observed under the microscope, a microscope is basically a thing जो एक छोटी सी चीज को बहुत ज्यादा मैग्नीफाई करती है. जैसे आपका कैमरा मैग्नीफाई करता है up to certain extent, वैसे माइक्रो यानी छोटी छोटी चीजों को मैग्नीफाई करके देखना. But then the doctor had observed कि एक जिस पेशेंट को मलेरिया हुआ है उनके स्टमक में एक कुछ टाइनी जर्म्स है. बट ये कहाँ से आया वो एक क्वेश्चन था. सो प्रोफेसर थॉट कि कोई मस्कीटो हो सकता है. सो ये लोग ने पूरा टाइम मस्कीटोज को पकड़ा और ऑब्जर्व किया. ये लोग एम्प्टी बॉटल से, ये सारे प्रोफेसर साइंटिस्ट ये सब एम्प्टी नेट्स एंड बॉटल्स में मस्कीटोज को कैच करते. उन्होंने एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन के लिए पेशेंट्स को भी कहा कि यू ट्राई एंड हेल्प अस. ठीक है. पेशेंट्स को बाइट करने के बाद दे realized and they were confirming कि कौन से मस्कीटो के बाइट करने से मलेरिया होता है या फिर सच में मस्कीटो के बाइट करने से मलेरिया होता है. एंड जो लोग खुद को अलाउ करते थे मस्कीटो को बाइट करवाने में उनको 1 आना मिलता था. डियर चिल्ड्रन, 1 आना ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम वाज रियली गुड अमाउंट. सो यस, देयर आर पीपल हु डोनेट देयर बॉडी to science for money and for research purposes. Now, the scientist is recalling that how they used to cut open the mosquito's stomach and peep and look into it. They would spend hours and hours bending over a microscope. Their eyes and their neck and their body was basically giving up. Even if it used to be hot, they would not turn on the fan or fan themselves using any fan or notebook cover because the mosquitoes will fly. Once even Sir Ronald Ross got attacked with malaria. Dear children, now malaria is very common because दवाई है तो ठीक हो जाता है. But back in those days when there was no, not much cure of it, वो टाइम पर ये रिस्क लेना is really a brilliant, you can say a brilliant and sacrificing thing to do. Brilliant as well as sacrificing, because that was the dedication of Sir Ronald Ross. He spent a lot of months like this, but they couldn't find anything. See, that's where the proverb comes. Try and try till you succeed. One day they caught few mosquitoes that looked different. They were brownish with spotted wings, यानी wings के ऊपर spots थे, dots थे. So जैसे ही वो stomach देखा एक female mosquito का, तो उन्होंने कुछ black देखा. And then उनको मालूम पड़ा कि ये germs तो बिल्कुल same to same है. And then they had the proof that mosquitoes definitely spread malaria. So Ronald Ross got the highest award for his discovery. 1905, even as he lay dying, Ross's last words were, "I will find something new." This is inquisitiveness. This is the innovation and the interest of learning something new. Helps in discoveries and invention. Now, how would you like to utilize this chapter in your day-to-day life? I am not asking you all कि आप भी mosquitoes जमा करो और उनका stomach cut करो. No, it's not our task to do so. You have to keep your premises clean. You have to understand about the deadly disease malaria and understand that hygiene is very important. Not only in your house, अपना घर साफ रख के खिड़की के बाहर कचरा फेंकना भी अच्छा नहीं है. Please put it in the garbage bin. Try to recycle as much as you can. Strictly follow the safety measures to keep yourself and your family members safe from diseases. Not only malaria, the other diseases as well. So stay home, stay safe, stay digital, and please watch the videos. We will meet up in the next chapter, Up You Go. There are no notebook notes for Up You Go, and there are no notebook notes for this chapter as well. So we'll meet again in Up You Go. Goodbye, dear children.